Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Recuva and telling it where to look. Start scanning right away. Pick the device or folder that held the files, because accuracy improves recovery chances. You should run the quick scan first to save time. Once done, decide whether to enable deep scan for thoroughness. Make sure to run Recuva as administrator so permission issues don't block results. This gets you immediate results while preserving options for deeper recovery if needed. You now refine the search so Recuva finds the right files faster. Use the file type filter and date range to narrow results. This reduces noise and speeds scanning. While it runs, watch the file preview and the recoverability column, good, poor, or unrecoverable, because that guides your next move. If results look off, pause and adjust filters or target drive, then resume. Make sure to avoid writing to the same drive to prevent overwriting recoverable data. You finish by selecting files and using Recover to save them to a different drive. This prevents overwriting lost data. Once saved, open a few files to verify integrity, because a quick check avoids lost work later. If files fail or show errors, run deep scan and try another destination, or export a list and repeat selectively. If recovery remains poor, create a disk image with a separate tool and run Recuva on the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.